Hey everybody, today I'm excited to talk to you about the Mixed Medium membership. Every single month we will be releasing brand new technique videos with both verbal and written instructions. Every video is organized into easy to understand categories and features a unique code so that you can find it later in the search bar. And here's a sneak peek of the Mixed Medium membership. So when you sign into your account, this is what you would see. And if you click on any category, you will see a list of videos that show a nice bold heading telling you what that video is about and a brief description of every video. We are also including inspiration videos of different projects to give you ideas on how to layer the techniques, create focal points, and even more. Every single project video has a list of the techniques used in the project along with their video codes so you can go watch those videos for further study. Here's an example of what the technique and inspiration videos will look like every single month. They're up close so that you can see exactly what's happening and you don't have to guess how anything was created. We've also created an exclusive members-only community so that you can post your own artwork and see what others in the community are creating. Every month we'll be having live in the studio videos so that we can create together and you can ask your questions live during the broadcast. We'll be also having Challenge of the Month with art prompts and guidelines to help jumpstart your creativity. We can't wait to go on this creative journey with you. Join us now at learn.archinaljunction.com to start growing your artistic skills today.